Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Chrysler Voyager LXi. You can see with the key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This has a brand new rear entry, manual conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got a handle on either side. These clamps keep the ramp from rattling. They're a great design. So I pinch here and I flip them up, and I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. Check that out. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. So if you have a bigger chair or want to haul larger chairs, that extra 4 inches gives you that option. If someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry also have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including snow drifts this time of year, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages of the rear entry, but we do also sell side entry if you're looking for one of those. This deep cut here allows up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. This is about a foot deeper than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So if you're looking to haul 2 wheelchairs at a time, you want that extra space, these Chryslers might be the answer for you. Also has the option to put a flip base 3rd row seat back here, so you could potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. It's got all your tie down points, your upgraded Q-straight and tie downs in there with the lap belt. You got about 21 inches of room between those seats. We can put in flip base seats that'll flip up on their side if you want some more room to clear out to get closer to the front. We've got that option. You got your cup holders in the rear for your passengers in the rear. As I come up to the front here, we've got your Q-strength, tie down and warranty information. Have a real nice center console here. Got your cup holders for your passengers in the 2nd row as well. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. You got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road, and you can also sync your phone to do that as well. Got your backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plugs for all your electronics, and you can also shut all the power doors up there on the center console. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process. Again, 1 finger, that's all it takes. Super simple to do, very cost effective to maintain. The power ramps and doors are nice, but they can be super expensive to work on if they break. So if you can get by with a rear entry, I highly recommend it. Walk around to the van. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. It's got the tinted windows. It's a nice clean van. I've got a couple spots on it. I did notice a little bit of touch-up paint. I'll show those to you. All the tires are about 7/32. So there's not, they're probably the original tires that were on this van. So about 40,000 miles on these tires. But these are the Yokohama's tires on here. They still got some life left on them. If you do want me to put brand new tires, I can. That's your dime. I see a small little door ding here. Little touch-up paint right there about the size of my fingernail. A little chip in the paint right there. And I hope you can tell in my videos, I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. If I see it, I want you to see it. And a couple rock chips here. Right there. A little bit of bug guts on the front. You know, all 4 vehicles with 40,000 miles, they're going to have little minor tiny issues like this at least. The only difference is I'm honest enough to show them to you and tell you about them. This is not a brand new vehicle, but it's not far from it. So, but the alloy wheels, and what I recommend, make sure you always get a video. Not just a picture, but a video of the VIN number sticker. And you say, well, why would I do that? Had a guy call me a week or 2 ago, said someone was selling a van, one of my vans, on Facebook Marketplace for $8,200. The person even produced a fake title. With technology these days, you can produce a fake title. Well, that was actually a $45,000 van of mine. He was trying to scam somebody. So if you ask that person, hey, give me a video of that VIN number sticker, they probably could not provide it unless they are really good at AI, but they could not provide it. So keep yourself from getting scammed. Make sure you get a video of this VIN number. Also, what we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every one of our vehicles, you can see this is 1 owner, no accidents or damage, last owned in nice salt rust-free Texas, used as a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rental vehicles. I would agree if it's a sports car, but I don't think too many people say, honey, grab the kids, we're going to go out and rent a minivan this weekend and hot rod it. It simply means highway miles. That's a good thing for a vehicle. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, one owner, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage. The airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate, no accident or damage. No open recalls, and does show the vehicle went into service March 2nd of 2021. So it meets the specs to be under the full factory Chrysler powertrain warranty until March 2nd, 2026, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, look up their reputation. Find us on eBay, 1,478 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I would I'd say that's a good reputation right there. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Spend a little bit of time, find out who you're buying from, find us on Google. Look at our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I hear people oftentimes, they're telling me stories about, like I just told you, they got scammed by someone selling a vehicle that wasn't theirs, buying from a private individual off Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, or they buy a van that they can't get a title for because it might be stolen. I hear all kinds of horror stories. So if you're going to buy from a private individual, you better know what you're doing. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings. You know, the buyer did not bother getting on Google, looking at these reviews, seeing what people were saying about them. So, you know, don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Get online, find out who you're buying from. If you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, you shop with those 1 and 2 and 3-star dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star customer service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years now, I look forward to your phone call. By the way, on this van, they've got the spare tire tucked back here. You can see it. See, there's got your spare tire, your pump, all that good stuff. And another great feature about this van, when the doors are locked here, got your remote start button. You just hit that button twice there. I'm gonna wait for that door to close. All right, hit it twice. It'll beep at you. Van will fire right up. So whether it's summertime, you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, or it's wintertime and you want to come out to nice defrosted windows, heat and ready to go, this remote start gives you that option. On the interior, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors inside this van. It's got the remote the power driver seat. Got the cream colored leather interior. Nice clean unit. And if you're going to use this van for, say, commercial use for non-emergency medical transport, you can hit off right there on the doors. What that does, it turns the power doors off so they can be opened quickly without causing any risk damage to the motors in here. So that's an option for you with touch of a button. Just showing you the back seats here also, everything is very clean. Little different perspective of the layout of the van. And it got your rear air controls over there. Another great thing I like about this is the push button start. So if this key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish it out every time you get in the van. Just get in the van, push your foot on the brake, push the start button, and you're ready to roll. And you can see 44,208 miles. We've got a backup camera, like I mentioned earlier. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested all the power mirrors and windows, and I'm fixing to show you how those work right now. Tested all the power locks, the heat, air, belts, hoses, cruise, suspension, steering, brakes. We've taken the vehicle on a road test. We looked at all the tires. If you hit these buttons too fast, they'll go right back down again. It's kind of a safety feature these Chryslers have. So, but all the windows work. We've taken these on a road test, and I hope you can tell by my videos, we are very thorough in everything we do. We do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a complete inspection. Underneath the hood, we got the 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and a reminder this drivetrain is still under the Chrysler specs for the powertrain warranty for another 15,000+ miles. But they call underneath the van much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any fluid or oil leaks, no signs of any damage like water damage or rust from being in a flood or being up north. And I did notice one small little dent here on the bumper about the size of my finger. Someone probably pulled up and hit a curb right there. It's very common to do. Just wanted to show that to you. But that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's only got 44,000 miles on it, they assume that it runs and drives good. You know, the transmission is not slipping. They assume it's never been in a bad accident, you know, or a flood. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. Do not do that. And what I want you to do, I don't care if you're looking at my competition, whether it be a private individual or a dealer, I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation online so I know I'm buying from someone reputable? do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get down on their hands and knees and bother even taking pictures, much less detailed videos of the undercarriage of the van, so I can see it's not all bent up from an accident, so I can see there's not watermarks and stains from a flood or in rust? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, and when it comes to reputation, please compare me to the competition. And you know what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle that you can't get a title for, or has frame damage from a rust or an accident? You know, it may not pass inspection in your state. Obviously it won't if you can't get a title for it. So if you buy a vehicle that won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. You're telling me someone's gonna ask you to spend $40,000, $50,000, but they won't get out and make a detailed video like this for you? It doesn't sound right, does it? Second, demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but the reason I do them is because I want to know what I'm buying before I buy. Hey, I'm the owner of this company. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I'm not some guy sitting at a desk that doesn't care if I get a good or a bad vehicle. I get paid the same either way. That's not how it works. I'm the owner. That's the advantage of buying from a company ran by the owner. Third, get online. We touched on this. Find out who you're buying from. Look up the reputation and reviews. Like I said, lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. I mentioned it still meets the specs for the powertrain warranty from Chrysler Dodge. Demand that warranty. So let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear her run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. The steering wheel is nice and straight. Accelerates to 70 miles an hour with no issues whatsoever. Runs and drives dang near like a brand new van. Feels great. I got the cruise control set. You can see cruise works good. Very clean van. Now keep in mind we do have the remaining powertrain warranty from Chrysler that meets the specs on the van. We do sell long-term warranties that are more bumper to bumper, factory type warranties. Those go anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, what they have hidden in the fine print, or they don't even bother telling you about it until it's time to close the deal. $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So next thing you know, by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping, that price jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money on you or to try to get you to make that phone call, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, the most important thing in any business, but especially the used car business, is transparency. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent. So if someone's hiding something from you right off the bat, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding from you. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. When I came down the ramp, nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now my name is Jeremiah. You can call or text that number, reach out to me, the owner, and I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super pushy, aggressive used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it here to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a really big investment, so I try to be as detailed as I possibly can in these videos. But if you made it to the end of our video, give us a thumbs up on YouTube if you don't mind. Just push the thumbs up button, that'll help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos and inventory. And if you do want to come in to visit us, we would love that, but please make an appointment with us. I am not sitting around all day with my feet up on a desk waiting for people to walk in, so you must have an appointment. We're more than happy to spend some time with you. And if you'd like to check out our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call today.